Where do I buy these ingredients? How do I know that they're legit or good quality? Can I trust it? These questions and many others are actually really common when it comes to just starting out on where and how to make Chinese soups and teas. Here are 5 tips to help you get started on buying, sourcing, and using Chinese herbs in your Chinese soups and teas. For me, the first was really referrals. When I first started, all I was asking was my mom, my mother-in-law, my grandmother, all the old ladies at the supermarket on where they were buying their Chinese herbs. They've got sources. They've been buying for so many years. So what better way to get introduced and start building my own relationship with these vendors? Or asking your friends or your traditional Chinese medicine doctor. The key is that these sources are tried and trusted. The second is to buy from the bigger chain stores. They're either franchised or wholesale distributors. These sources are great because they buy in bulk and you have sources from out of the country or from other places. Sometimes with these stores, what I'll do is just watch for a bit and see the type of customers coming in and out, how much they're buying, what they're buying, how they're interacting with the salespeople. So a good trick here is if you see like older generations, like the aunties and the grandmas or the grandpas going there, this generation is definitely more discerning when it comes to quality, name brand, and reliable source. So there's a little bit of bias here that I use as part of my data source. But it's worked so far. In Canada, I'm particularly fond of the packaged ones because there's a big brand behind it. And yes, there's always a bit of doubt about who they're sourcing from, are they doing the right quality checks? But at least there's a big brand name behind it and you know where the source is from. They'll take refunds if the product's not working or to your level of standard, and there's a sensitivity to how they're upholding their brand name. The third is that I've started buying online now, and with this I'm very careful to read reviews as well. And yes, there's the lens that some of the reviews are paid or fake, but you take that with a grain of salt. And even better, if friends refer me to this product that they've bought before online, I'm definitely game. Which leads me to the fourth tactic, is to buy in small portions first. Try them, see how they're working out, and then I'll order more for bulk. And finally, the fifth one is about how I'm managing the ingredients as they come through my cooking process. So this means that I'm cleaning, I'm soaking, and I'm rinsing these ingredients before I use them. This is not for all, but some of them I will do this. So example, fox nuts or Chinese yams are often processed with a lot of sulfur. And these I will pre-soak in warm water before using them. But things like dried red dates, well, a little more reliable, more commonplace, and I'm buying from a reputable source. If you have any more tips, I'd love to hear about them. You can drop it in the comments below. And trust yourself in the process. Sometimes it's really about experimenting, experiencing, talking to more people, and buying in small portions and just trying. To be honest, I've never really come across any fake or false products. The ones that I am more careful about are the ones that have a higher price point. For example, certain types of red Korean ginseng, fish maw, which I will scrutinize and check different stores and prices and quality. But that's about it. All the other ingredients I use are quite commonplace and commonly found. These are the easy ingredients that you can use in your Chinese soups and teas at home. Happy shopping, and I'll see you next time.